Welcome to the Art of Driving presented by Apollo Tyres. Now, tires work really hard to keep you safe and sound while you're on the move, and we forget just how vital they are. Now, in the last video, we took a look at some of the common ways in which tires wear out and how to prevent them. And in this one, we're going to take a look at a few more. In the last episode, we spoke of center wear, shoulder wear, camber wear, and cupped wear. Now first, let's talk about toe wear. Toe is a measurement of how much the wheels are turned in or out from a straight ahead position, if you look at it from above. When the wheels are angled inwards, toe is positive. When the wheels are angled outwards, toe is negative. It is normal for a vehicle's tires to have a tiny amount of toe, but the toe can increase if the wheels are out of alignment, and this can cause toe wear. Toe wear is typically seen on the inside shoulder of the tire. Having your alignment checked and adjusted regularly can help you avoid toe wear. Now, if the toe end has been set correctly, but you're still getting this pattern of wear, then it might be worth checking out your front suspension. If the bushes have worn out, it might cause the wheels to lose alignment as you go down the road. And now let's talk about another kind of wear, and that's flat spot wear. A single spot of heavy wear might show up on a tire if the driver has braked hard and locked up the wheels in an emergency stop. The part of the tire that was in contact with the road at that moment is scrubbed away by excessive friction. A car without anti-lock brakes is more likely to lock up its tires under heavy braking, which can cause a flat spot. Now, the last kind of wear we'll talk about is feather wear. When you drive around corners at high speeds, the road essentially rubs against the tire aggressively, resulting in feathered wear. While this can be spotted visually, it is usually easier to feel feathering when you run your hand along the tire tread. The tread blocks will have rounded edges on one side and sharp edges on the other. However, the more likely cause is if the toe of your tire is too far in or out, which can be fixed with proper wheel alignment. Now, before we sign off, let's talk about what you can do to increase the lifespan of your tires. The most important things are proper inflation and regular balancing and alignment of tires. Proper inflation. Now, an improperly inflated tire will wear out faster and it will do it unevenly as well. When a car manufacturer recommends the optimal pressures for the front and rear tires, they're not only taking into consideration fuel economy, comfort and performance, they're also taking into consider tire wear. So, make sure you follow those numbers on the door and inflate your tires properly. Here are a few tips for proper inflation. 1. Carry out a tire pressure check at least once a fortnight or before any long trips. 2. Tires must be cold when you carry out the check, preferably when they've driven less than 2 kilometers. 3. Get the right pressure reading from your vehicle manual, driver's door ledge or fuel cap. 4. Use a dependable gauge to measure your pressure. 5. Remember to examine all of your tires, not forgetting the spare tire. 6. During your pressure check, give your tire a visual check for tread wear or problems like cuts or bulges. 7. Pressure decreases more rapidly in warmer weather, so make sure you check your tires frequently in the summertime. Wheel alignment, also known as tire alignment, refers to the adjustment of the vehicle's steering and suspension components. The key to proper alignment is to adjust the angles of the tires and their contact with the road in accordance with the vehicle manufacturer's specifications for parameters such as camber and toe. Improper wheel alignment can cause your tires to wear unevenly and prematurely. And lastly, wheel balancing. Now, imbalanced wheels can be really dangerous on the move. They can lead to problems with steering and with braking and could even cause your tire to lift off the road. Furthermore, they not only lead to tire wear but also mechanical wear and really poor fuel economy. They can even lead to damaged steering components, wheel bearings and suspension. So it's imperative that every time you get a puncture or you have to change your tires, that you get all your wheels balanced. Now, I hope you've enjoyed this series and that you've learned a lot about your tires and overall that you've enjoyed the art of driving presented by Apollo Tyres.